Hello everyone, here we are going to continue with exercise 12b of the chapter midpoints and its converse. We have did till question number 9 in our previous video. Now we'll be doing question number 10. So here in question number 10 we have been given with a triangle ABC in which D and E are the midpoints of the respective side AB and AC. Then a line parallel to AB from E is drawn over here which is touching BC at F. अब हमें ये प्रूव करना है कि BFED is a parallelogram. Now for doing so, we are going to prove F is a midpoint of BC by using converse of midpoint theorem. So in triangle ABC, E is a midpoint of AC और EF is parallel to AB. अब E midpoint है, E है parallel है, तो by converse of midpoint theorem we will be getting F is a midpoint of BC. In triangle ABC, we have got E is a midpoint of AC and EF is parallel to AB. This has been given to us in the question. Now by converse of midpoint theorem we get EF bisects BC, that is F is a midpoint of BC. अब हमारे पास F is a midpoint of BC आ चुका है. Then we are going to again use the triangle ABC in which D and E are the midpoints of the side AB and AC respectively. अब D AB का midpoint है और E AC का midpoint है. So by using midpoint theorem we'll be getting DE is parallel to BC and DE is half of BC. अब DE अगर BC के पैरेलल है तो DC DE BF के भी पैरेलल होगा और अगर D पूरे का हाफ है तो वो BF के बराबर होगा because F is a midpoint of BC. So here in triangle ABC we have got D and E are the midpoints of the side AB and AC respectively. So by midpoint theorem we get DE parallel to BC and DE half of BC. अब DE parallel to BC है, therefore this can also be written as DE is parallel to BF. And D is half of BC, therefore this can be written as DE is equals to BF. Reason F is midpoint of side BC. As here we get one pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral are equal and parallel. So here we have got DE is equals to BF and DE is parallel to BF. So as one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel, therefore this is a parallelogram. So as one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel in quadrilateral BFED, therefore it is a parallelogram. अब इसके बाद हमें इसका perimeter भी पता करना है. And here we have been given with this length of BC as 18, length of AC as 12 and length of AB as 16. अब AB का 16 है तो BD का कितना हो जाएगा, half of this, that is 8 सेंटीमीटर. और सिमिलरली ये पूरे BC का 18 दिया हुआ है तो BF का हो जाएगा 9 सेंटीमीटर. हमें इससे कोई मतलब नहीं क्योंकि हमारे पास जो पैरेललोग्राम है वो इन दोनों साइड से बना हुआ है. सो पैरेललोग्राम में ऑपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल होते हैं, तो अगर ये 8 है तो ये भी 8 होगा और ये अगर 9 है तो ये भी 9 होगा. सो द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द पैरेललोग्राम विल बी BF plus FE plus CD plus BD, that is equals to 9 plus 8 plus 9 plus 8, that is equals to 34 centimeter as answer. Now let's move to question number 11. Here in this question we are having a triangle ABC in which AD and CE are median. AD मीडियन होने का मतलब है BD और CD बराबर होगा और CE के मीडियन होने से मतलब है AE और BE की लेंथ इक्वल होगी. Now we have to prove this BF is 1/4 of all. So सबसे पहले हम इस CE that is median इसकी हेल्प से ये शो कर लेते हैं that BE is half of this AB. Now we have shown that BE is half of AB as CE is median. Now in triangle BCE, तो BCE triangle में हमारे पास D will become a midpoint of BC as AD is median. Then DF is parallel to CE, ये हमें दिया हुआ है. So by the help of converse of midpoint theorem, we can prove this DF bisects BE. So अगर DF BE को bisect करता है, in that case we'll be getting BF is half of BE. So here in triangle BCE, D is the midpoint of BC as AD is median and DF is parallel to CE has been given to us. Then by converse of midpoint theorem we have got DF bisects BE और DF अगर BF को bisect करता है, this means BF is half of BE और BE की वैल्यू अगर हम यहाँ से पिक करें that is half of AB. So this can be written as BF equals to 1/2 into 1/2 AB. So सॉल्व करने पे हमारे पास हो जाएगा BF equals to 1/4 AB. Hence proved. Now let's move to question number 12. Here we are having a parallelogram ABCD और फिर E is a midpoint of AB और यहां से एक लाइन पैरेलल गई है जो कि इसको भी एक्सटेंशन करके ज्वाइन किया गया। सो वी हैव गॉट EC पैरेलल टू AP, जिसमें AP इज ऑन द एक्सटेंशन ऑफ AO और BC के भी एक्सटेंशन पे ये लाई कर रहा है। नाउ वी हैव टू प्रूव दिस BP इज ट्वाइस ऑफ दिस AD। अब जैसा कि हमें पता है कि ये एक पैरेललोग्राम है, तो AD जो है वो BC के बराबर होगा, और अगर ये इसका मिड पॉइंट है, ये इसके पैरेलल है, सो वी कैन प्रूव दिस BP is twice of this BC, क्योंकि C will become the midpoint of BP by using converse of midpoint theorem. So here, first of all, we are going to write this AD equals to BC as opposite sides of parallelogram. Now after getting this, that AD equals to BC by opposite sides of parallelogram, we are going to take the triangle ABP, in which E is the midpoint of AB and EC is parallel to AP. Now in triangle ABP, we have got E is a midpoint of AB, which is given to us. Then EC is parallel to AP, which is also given to us. So by converse of midpoint theorem, we have got EC bisects BP, और इसको अगर bisect करता है, this means this BP is twice of BC. Now as BP is twice of BC or BC is equals to AD, so here we can write this one as BP equals to twice of AD. अगर हम इसको इक्वेशन नंबर 1 ले लेते हैं, सो वी हैव टू मेंशन फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1. सो ये हमारा फर्स्ट पार्ट हो गया. देन वी हैव टू प्रूव दिस O इज अ मिड पॉइंट ऑफ AP. दैट इज वी हैव टू प्रूव दिस AO इक्वल्स टू PO. उसके लिए वी हैव टू प्रूव दीज टू ट्रायंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट. अब इसको कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव करने के लिए हमारे पास ये एंगल इस एंगल के बराबर हो जाएगा, वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल. वी कैन इवन प्रूव दिस एंगल इक्वल्स टू दिस वन एज इंटीरियर ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स. साथ ही हमें एक साइड भी चाहिए. सो एज वी नो दिस साइड इज इक्वल टू दिस वन एंड दिस इज बी इक्वल टू दिस वन, क्योंकि C इसका मिड पॉइंट प्रूव हो चुका है. सो हियर वी हैव टू फॉर्म अ रिलेशन फॉर दीज थ्री. सो हियर BC इक्वल्स टू CP एज EC bisects BP and AD equals to BC हमें दिया ही हुआ था. So from equation 1 and 2 we have got AD equals to CP. Now we'll be proving these two triangles congruent by using this side, this angle and this angle. So now in triangle ADO and PCO, we are having AD equals to CP. We have just proved over here. Then angle 1 equals to angle 2. Angle 1 और angle 2 interior alternate angle है, as the opposite sides of parallelogram are parallel to each other. और फिर ये एंगल इस एंगल के बराबर हो जाएगा, वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल. And now to prove these two triangles congruent, we have used this angle and this side. So it is AAS. So by AAS congruency criteria, we have proved these two triangles congruent. Now we have to prove this AO equals to PO. So AO equals to PO by CPCT. और CPCT से इसको पाने के बाद we will be getting that O is, and here we get O is a midpoint of AP, hence proved. That's all for this video. Thank you.